Guys, careful, you're dealing with fire, okay?
So why is it happening?
Yeah, what is happening first, tell me.
Sir, it's solid. It's becoming solid.
First thing, it's solidifying also. Second thing is, can you see the white color also? And also, can you see the water vapors? Okay.
Not a vapor.
Yeah, so evaporation is happening.
Yes.
Is it a chemical change, guys?
Yes, sir.
Or a physical change?
Chemical.
How water is coming? It's dry, sir. It was a dry powder.
Don't touch the glass. And you will be able to find it. Just go on Google. This is really nice. This is almost like a white color. The moment I add, it becomes blue. Isn't it fun?